Hi my beauty fam, this is Uma. Welcome to my channel. Before head into the video, please subscribe to my channel. Today's video is about skincare. Here I am showing how I pamper my dry, damaged, dull skin into glow hydrated skin by using only a single product. Let's get started. This is my damaged skin which you are looking now. So first I already washed my face with my favorite face soap rice cleanser. Now I am going to apply few drops of face serum in the morning to wake up and boost my skin. It can balance uneven skin tone and lighten age spots, wrinkles and blemishes. Here I am using elementary skincare products for the complete video. Second step, I am not going to leave my skin with serum. Using elementary face cream, applying few drops to my face. This can help skin looking cleanser and more luminous, managing throughout the face and neck by avoiding eye area. Third step, and this is very important to get that glow and hydrated look, using 3D face sculpting device from the same brand Elevation. You can use this device in two modes, blue and red. First, I am starting up with blue light can improve appearance of sagging skin and refines the look, enlarge pores and balance the skin sensitivity. Red mode can promote collagen production, fine lines, wrinkles and scars and give smoother and younger look. Evening, my skincare is simple but worth to do. Just washing my face with the same cleanser, now using capsules B plus drops from the same brand. This can help your skin eliminate impurities and blemishes to give smooth and soft skin. And then using a face cream and applying to my face. Give it a good massage. Here is my final glow and hydrated skin throughout the day. Check out for more details about this product in my description box. Everything I am going to include it there. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit that like button, share comments below. We'll be back soon with a brand new makeup or any skincare or hair care videos soon. Bye. Take care.